everyone, it's Hanny. I don't have my arm in the sling anymore. It's still hurting a bit, but well, I thought let's try something. And well, today my junk journal embellishment challenge number, I don't know, I didn't check. Oh, I can look here. Number 53 went up and that is the prompt is fishing, and optional is making a journaling card of a journal card. How do you call that? Is it a journaling card or journal card? I'm not sure. I always doubt. I don't know. But, well, I thought let's try, and I found some things, and some pictures, and some, it's not stickers, but, well, you can push them out, those thingies, and I found this thing, like that too, from an old cookbook or something like that. And I thought maybe I can do something with this, like a fishing net. And I found a little charm, I was looking for a fish, but I couldn't find one. So I found this little shell. I think, well, maybe I could do something with that. And my husband, he likes to fish, and he always uses those thingies. I don't know what he's doing with it, but he uses them with fishing. So I thought, well, maybe I could use something like that with this. I don't know. I just, well, tried some things. And I have, well, some prepared, pre-glued cards. I just glued some thingies, some neutral pages on it. Sorry, I have to dry my nose. Allergic. So, just from magazine pages, and well, I can use that. Could make a journaling card of that, or maybe something else, I don't know. I didn't think maybe a simple little one. I don't know yet. I will see. I have enough stuff to use this one. It's a big one, but I think I'm going to use the big one. I have enough stuff to glue on. I have to look for some other papers to glue on. I didn't look for that yet. I don't know how long it takes making me this. Maybe when I'm halfway, I think, well, I will quit for a while. But yeah, I don't know how it goes. So I think I'm not going to talk you through it, but just make it and speed the video up. I'm a bit tired, sorry. Well, I hope you enjoy watching. And oh yeah, and thank you so much everyone for subscribing to my channel. It's enormous. The last week it was more than 1,000 subscribers. So I'm overwhelmed, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, everyone. And there is a giveaway going on. I think it's now Friday Friday the 14th of April. April 14th. And Monday the giveaway closes. And I hope I'm going to upload this video before Monday. If I don't, well, I will cut this out, this piece, so you won't miss this. Well, let's start. Enjoy watching.